So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in language settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, it's going to be showing our current languages that we have installed right now. I've got English UK and US. To add a new language, we're now going to click on add a language. Now I want to add English Australia. You can add any language you want. So I'm just going to type in English Australia. Now I'm going to click on this. Now I'm going to click on next. Make sure that you have your correct language selected. Make sure that you have language pack ticked. And you could read these other options right here, such as text-to-speech, handwriting. It's up to you if you want to keep these options or not. So for me personally, I'm just going to untick everything here. However, you do want to keep language pack. And you could also choose if you want to set this as your default Windows display language. For me, I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to keep it like this. Now, you're going to click on install. And it's now going to start downloading. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been installed, we should be having our language right here. You want to click on the three dots and then click on move up. Make sure that you have it first on the list out of all your languages. Now, you're going to click on the three dots again and then click on language options. And now we're going to scroll down till we find installed keyboards. You now want to click on add a keyboard. And you can now choose the keyboard layout that you want to do this for. I'm going to be choosing this one right here. And now it's going to be added. And now to switch between keyboard layouts, this should now appear on your taskbar. It should now be saying your language right here. You want to click on this. And you can now switch between keyboard layout. That's how you do it.